Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks learning platform, and today we are going to discuss TCS NQT Reasoning live session. Okay, we are here to discuss about TCS NQT 2021 live session. Okay, so before starting the session, let's assume that all of you are very fine. Okay, plus be safe. Okay, be safe at home. Okay, be still there in the home. Okay, because the COVID is still again, the second wave has just started. So be there, okay? Just came to the classes, just learn what we have just telling you to learn and anything, because TCS already have launched, already have discussed the time and date of the NQT test, okay? So meanwhile, I'm just waiting for the students so that they just join the session, and after that, I will start the session, okay? Hi Vikram, is my voice is audible? Before starting the session, just let me know this thing. Is my voice is audible? Just so that they can join, and then we will start our session. So today basically we have to I'm going to start with the reasoning, okay? And in the reasoning there is a one topic is very important, which is called as a number series. In number series they give you every day, every session they give you the specific questions through the number series. So today I just picked some question, which I'm not saying that this questions is definitely going to come in the examinations. All I'm saying is that this kind of question they might give you, okay? It might come in the examination, but the thing is, like, once you see that questions, now you can easily understand, okay, now this question I understand, now I can go with this question, okay? So now I am just waiting for one more minute. I'm going to wait, and after that I will start my session. Meanwhile, please just let me know if anyone who can give me a thumbs up about if my voice is audible or not. Vikram, please, can you please do so? Okay, okay, now fine. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I hope you all can see my screen. Okay, so now see, for the specific TCS NQT, okay, Geeks for Geeks have just organized a very specific pattern, okay, just organize a study material, okay, they have a full thing, okay, like what they have, what exactly is very useful for our TCS NQT test. The first one is our practice test, okay. So the practice test is basically what, in that we just give you the questions, certain questions, in the particular topic. Like if I'm going to say about that number series, okay, this is the specific topic of reasoning ability. This kind of a question also they give you in that numerical ability too. But what I'm saying over here is this on the specific topic, like blood relation, the puzzles, okay, the numerical ability, the anything, specifically anything, okay, you choose, you name any topic, we have a specific practice question set on that topic with explanation. And if you have any issue regarding that topic, I'm here to help you. Just give me the, like, I'm just stuck in the question. You can send me the question in chat box too, and I can solve that one for you in the live session only. Second one is our mock test, okay? So mock test and full mock test is completely is like we are going to give you the complete scenario, like you are going to, that what you are going to face in the NQT test, okay? So through full mock, you have a specific time limit, if a specific time, plus on that moment you have to solve the questions. You have a specifically 4 sections. Each questions contain on specifically that questions, what that type, which exactly asked in our NQT test, okay? On the basis of that, it's a mock test are designed, and you can give the test. Third one is like coding practice question, okay? This is the most important. Through this, like, you have to show yourself like how much you have a knowledge of the coding questions. Third line, this one is like previously questions, 2000 plus and 55 marks. These all things you can buy in the very less price of like only 499. The price was exactly for 999, but for the this time, for this for the particular time, for the very limited time, this the cost is only 499. I just request you to go over there, buy this course, and it's definitely going to help you for the TCS NQT test preparation examination. Okay. Again, I'm stop sharing my screen. It's coming to the chat box. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to start my session. Again, I'm going to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you. So let's start with the first one. Today, I just focus on the number series questions. In the number series, what they exactly, because I just took any type, okay, like I just specifically, I'm not saying I just covered all the questions, but in the further classes, I'm going to complete, okay, but I thought like for the specific question like this topic, through this topic, every year, okay, they give some sort of question. Every year they will give you some sort of questions, and the question is like you need to understand exactly what technique they are using. Once you understand the basic phenomena of the question, then you'll definitely going to understand that one. Okay, so suppose let's start with the first one. Our first is one of the number series is missing. Find out the missing term. Okay, we have to find out in this what is our missing term. Okay, so the series is like 1, 1, 2, 6, 24 missing term and 720. See, after looking at question, see, first is like 1. Okay, it's okay, and then again it's saying that it's 1. Then again it's again 1. Then 2. It's completely on the it's twice. Then it's like 2, 6. Okay, it's like 2, 3 jump. Then again it's 4 times. Then we have no idea what, and then this. See, since in the sixth term, the term is increasing from 1 to 720. It means like it's not a kind of an addition term, okay? Whenever you see that the series is going exponentially high, this series is rising exponentially high, in that moment, what we understand is there is a kind of a certain term multiplication. Plus, series is increasing. It means the term is also getting increasing by increasing. What I'm doing is like I'm writing this, okay? This 1, okay, then 1, okay, then it's 2, then it's 6, okay, then it's 24, okay, then it's missing, and then in the last is 720. Okay, here this one is missing. Okay, so I am just writing this one. Okay, now just moving from here. Okay, now see, what I'm doing is like 1, and after 1, what I'm going to do, see, it's just like this trick you're only going to understand. I'm not doing anything like, see, just because I set up this question, that's why I know the answer. It's not like that. But I'm telling you, like, you should also understand the format of the question. Okay, like how they are making the question. See, 1, the first term is 1, and again 1. So we can write this 1 multiplied by 1. This will give you 1. Okay, then after 1 it's 2. It's like 1 multiplied by 2. This will give you 2. Okay, the third one is 2 and 6. So I'm going to say like 2 multiplied by 3. It's like give you 6. Now you can see this 1, 2, 6. It's see 1, 2, 6. And after 6, how much you are going to multiply? So this to this. If I'm going to multiply 4, so 6 4 ja, it's like 24. So now I'm going to see the pattern. 1 in this, if I'm going to multiply 1, then getting 1. And it's in this, we are going to multiply 2, then we are getting 2. Then 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. Then it is my assumption like 24 multiplied by 5 should be the option. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to multiply 24 multiplied by 5. Okay, what should be the our answer is like 4 5s are 20. Okay, it's 2 5 2s are 10 plus 20. Okay, it's like 120. I'm assuming this could be our answer. So after this, if I'm going to multiply by 6, okay, then this will give you this. Okay, 720. So if I'm going to multiply 120 by 6, it's giving you 720. It means that our this 120 answer is correct. Our this answer is absolutely correct. Our option number D. How I'm going to figure it out? Like once you see this question, okay, see 1 1 2 6 24 and then 720. Its question is like the series is increasing. Okay, it's continuously increasing. That's why I just made some multiplication part. It's not like it's kind of addition. See, in addition, there is 2 ways to find out. Once the series is increasing, I just told you, once the series is increasing like this, okay, so first thing is like this one is increasing. There is only 2 cases possible. Either we are adding something, or if we are going to multiply something. Okay, just make this thing very clear. Either I'm adding something, okay, or if I'm just multiplying something. So during addition, the series will be go uprising in the very small step, but during multiplication, it will go exponentially high. As you can also see, from 1 to 720, it's a quite of a 720 times exponentially high. That's why I believe it's a kind of a multiplication case. Okay. If you have any doubt in this question, just let me know. I'm coming to the chat box. Okay. Let me come to the chat box. Is there any doubt, any issue? No issue. Okay. Let's move forward. Now, let's see the second question. Now, again, in the second question, the question is like one term in the number. They are saying is like, again, in the series, there are missing number. Okay, find out the missing term. Let's find out. In this series, it's written that 5760 first term, 960 second, missing term, 48, 16, and 8. It's again like, it's a kind of a decreasing function. Okay, it's a kind of a decreasing function. Okay, so in the decreasing function, what could be the possibilities? Like either it's a kind of is there subtraction, or there is a sort of a division. Okay, see, we have to find out like the series is exactly how much they are going to decrease. The series is decreasing like 5760 until in the last term it's 8. It's like decreasing in the very exponential way. It could be the possibility of division, definitely. Okay, because the subtraction is quite low. If series will go smoothly down decreasing, then it could be the consideration of negative case. Okay, but here it's decreasing very fast. It's definitely on the division case. Now let's check this one. Okay, so this seems like very tough. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, 8. Okay, 8, if I'm going to see this, like, see, if you have to come through this, you have to go the division part. Okay, like, see, 5, 7, 6, 0. And the next term is 960. Okay, next term is, okay, from this you can also see this 8 multiplied by 2, this give you 16. Okay, so 8 multiplied by this and through this term. Okay, if I'm going to multiply 8 multiplied by 2, okay, here it's multiplication by 2, it's giving you 16. It's a multiplication. Let me clear the board. Okay, now this multiplication, okay, this give you multiply by 2. After this 16 3 okay, it's giving you like multiplication of 3. Okay, I'm just assuming then here it should become as multiplication of 4. Multiplication of 4. Let's check this one. 48 multiplication by 4. The answer would be like 32 is like 192. Okay, I'm just assuming like maybe this could be correct, this could not be correct. Here it's again there is an option 2, but once it's multiplied by through, then we have to multiply. If I'm going to multiply 192 multiply by 5, okay, so then our answer should be like 960. Let's check this one. It's like 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 9 5 ja 45 plus 1 46. And then 5 into 1 5, and this is 9, then it's 960. It means like this is our also correct. And then if I'm going to multiply 960 by 6, okay, then should be the answer. So I'm going to multiply 960, okay, and multiplication will be 6. Okay, so this is like 0, sorry, this is like 0. This is like 6 6 36, and 3 remaining. 9 6 54, and plus 3, it's our 57. Okay, so 5760 is our is like this. So here it's not like we have to move through like this only. Okay, we have to cover through this path only. We can go through this also. Okay, but the important thing is we have to cover the whole thing. We have to find out the nature of series. Here the series is like decreasing. That's why we have just done our we can go for the division part also, since I'm moving through this part. So see, if you are going through this, it's like 8 16 48. It's a kind of increasing. That's why I just do multiplication. If I'm going to do this part, let's see, 5760 divided by 6, this will give you 960. 960 divided by 5, okay, this will give you 192. Okay, no. And then it's like 48 division by 3, it will give you 16. 16 divided by 2, it will give you 8. Okay, so it's a kind of a division. Okay, if I'm going to follow this type, okay, it's a division case. If I'm going to throw this type, this is a kind of a division case, and going to this part, this will give you multiplication case. Okay, I hope you understand this. I'm just coming to the chat box to see if you have any doubt. Just let me know. Okay, no issue, no doubt. Okay. Now, moving forward, let's check another question. See this question. One of the term in the series is again same thing, is like series is missing, so we have to find out. Now see this series. 1, 2, okay, 2, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 21, 21, 20, 66. It's like this term is this, it's like I'm just writing this one, okay, for the better understanding. I'm going to write 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 7, 21. Okay, it's like 22, 22, 66, and 67. Okay, this series is a specific feature. See here, it's like it's a smooth increases. Okay, 1 and 2. It's a kind of either it's a multiply by 2 or it's a addition of 1. Okay, then here it's like 2, 6. It's a kind of a multiplication. I'm just doing like here it's 2, 3 just 6. Okay, this is 1 plus 2. Now check again. 6, 7. It's a kind of addition. It's like 1 plus, so 6 plus 1, 7. Again it's 3. Multiplication of 3. 21 and again 2. It's like plus 1. And then again it's like plus, it's like multiplication 3. Again it's like plus 1. What could be the next? After this, it could be the case of multiplication 3. So 67 multiplication of 3. I'm going to do this the multiplication. 7 3s are 21 and 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 201. Our option number C. How did I find this? See, here its series is smooth increasing, then it's exponential increasing, then smooth, then exponential, then smooth, then exponential. So they are going to they are going to club, okay, the addition and multiplication kind of a question. They are going to club your addition and multiplication. Then they are exactly find out like how they are making the series. See, the person who is making a series has anything to running behind his mind. Like they can give you anything, but the thing is you have to understand which kind of series they are exactly giving. Series is smoothly increasing, it's another case. Series is like exponentially increasing, this is another case. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Let's move to the further. This term, okay. Okay, see in this again, it's a 9, 1, 9, 25, 49, this and this. See, after looking this one, okay, if you have solved such kind of a question, okay, just don't always run like, okay, it's the exponential series, then we have to go for the subtraction. Okay, if it's exponentially increasing, then go for the multiplication or addition. See this one. Can you see this? This is basically 1. Okay, it's kind of a 1 square. This is exactly, second one is like 1, 9, 25. Okay, and another one is like 49. Okay, then it's missing term, and then 121. Can you see this? Okay, it's a kind of a 1 square, it's a kind of a 3 square, it's a kind of a 5 square, it's a kind of a 7 square. It's like we are doing our odd numbers square. 1, 3, 5, 7. What could be the next? It would be 7. After it's like 9. 9 square would be is like 1. So it's like 81. And after that 11 square. Okay, so it's like we are moving in the odd fashion with their square. So 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Next could be 9 square and then 11 square. So the answer could be our here is like option number C, 81. These are very small. Like I'm not saying that this much easy question TCS is going to ask, but Again, we have just see that the previous question. They are going to use this concept, clubbing with the another concept, generate a new kind of a concept. So we just need to understand like exactly what possible kind of a question possible in our number series. Let's move to the next question. If you have any doubt, I'm just coming to the chat box. Let me see. Okay. Okay, now next question. In terms of series, again, there is a missing number series. Okay, so we have to go for the missing number. So it's like 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. See, 4, 7, 12, there is no specific order. The series is just increasing smoothly. Okay, 4, 7, I'm going to write the series as 4, 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so can you give me any kind of a hint like what we can do? Series is increasing very smoothly. 4, 7, 12. Okay, so 4 to 7, I think it's increasing function. Okay, so 4 plus 3, I'm just adding plus 3, it's 7. 7 plus 5, if I'm going to do 5. See, this thing you only understand why I can do this thing very easily, because I understand like how series is moving. Okay, it's not like they are going to see the first very thing is like you have to see, is it exponent, is it increasing? Okay, then there is only two cases, either addition or multiplication. Here I'm seeing that 4, 7 and 12, there is not a very good chances it's kind of an increasing function. That's why I'm doing addition part. 4, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7. Okay, it's a kind of a plus 7. Can you see this one? This is odd number, 3, 5, 7. Okay, then again another one should be 9. Okay, so see, 19 plus 9 is 28. So another one should be plus 11. It's a kind of a 39. Okay, so our final answer should be 39. So 39, our option number C. It's very easy questions. Okay, sometimes in the previously what we have done is like it's a kind of multiplication. Okay, in this here it's addition. So these things, they are just simply like you have to find the pattern, exactly what pattern they are using, and after that we have to run our show. In examination, in TCS NQT examination, time is very limited. So what my suggestion to the students, all of you, is like just go through just practice a lots of questions, so that once you look at the question you understand, okay, this kind of question I understand, because examination it is no time for experiment, like you have to go for the experimental, then you will go okay like this. No, it's a very short period of time. This kind of a question they only give you like less than 1 minute. Okay, you have less than 1 minute over there. You have to find the question, understand the question, solve the question, correct the question, okay, and then fill the correct answer, and then you have to move forward. So I just suggest all of you that just practice a lots question on the series. You can find a lots of question series that I especially Geeks for Geeks is just format a specific questions regarding on this basis of a number series. Go find on the site, okay, and in this YouTube channel, okay, there's a specific link also given for where you can find the practice and everything. Just go over there, find the series, just attempt all of them. Okay. So very helpful. Is this going to help you in our final examination? Once you're sitting in the examination, they're going to help you. Okay, now moving forward. See this one, 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. I just like to know that, can you please give me any suggestion, like what we can do, 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. Any idea? Okay. Coming to the chat box again to see. Okay. Six, 11. So let me solve this one for you. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. Okay. So kind of this question is also kind of increasing question. Let me check. Okay, 6 and 11. There is no term where I'm going to multiply 6 and we'll find out specifically. There is a term possible, but here it's not a specific term. Okay, so it's like 6 plus 5. If I'm going to add plus 5, first thing just run for the difference part. This is 21 minus 11 is kind 10. This is called 36 minus 21 is kind of a 15. Okay, and this one is 20. Can you see this? I'm just running for the immediately. I just run for the subtraction part. Now, once I do the subtraction, I find my pattern. It's like 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, the next one be 25. So if I'm going to add 56 plus 25, the answer should be 56 and 25. Okay, it's like 6, 5, 11, 5, 7, and 8. Okay, so it's like 81. Our final answer is 81. All I have done is like I just go for the subtraction part, just find out, okay, there is a kind of a correlation forming over here, and then I found the answer. Okay, I'm just waiting for some time also over here so that the student can copy this. See, just whenever you see this question, go for subtraction, okay, because it's a smooth increment of the series. Then you'll find the answer. Let's move to the next question. Just let me know if I'm just running too fast. Just tell me that I will slow down my speed. Now, the question is 120, 99, 80, 63, 48. It's a completely kind of a decreasing series. The series is decreases from 120 to 99 to 80 to 63 to 48. Okay, it's a decreasing fashion. So let me check. What we can do is like first it's a decreasing. Just start with the subtraction part. Okay, the first very common thing to find the number series subtraction part. So if I'm going to see, okay, let me write this all things. It's like 120. Sorry, it's like 120. Okay, then it's 99. It's like 80. It's like 63. It's like 48. Okay, let's check this one. Here, after here and here, how much difference is that? In 120 minus 99, I'm doing is 120 minus 99. What will be the answer? Our is like, it's like 100, it's like 21. Okay, so here it's the difference is basically 21. What would be the here difference is like 99 minus 80, it's like 11. No, sorry, 19. Okay, and here it's like 80 minus 63, it's kind of a 17. This will be 63 minus 48, it's kind of a 15. Okay, can you find this? See, 120 minus 21, 99. 99 minus 13, sorry, 99 minus 19, 80. 80 minus 17, 63. 63 minus 15, 48. So what would be the next term? It should be 13. So 48 minus 13 is like 48 minus 13 is 5, and it's 3. Okay, so answer should be over here. The missing term is our 35, our option number A. Okay, so here see, in the throughout question, I think I have solved more than 4 questions, but you can see my pattern. I just run for the subtraction part. Initially, whenever I start a topic, I just running for the subtraction part. Okay, I definitely find some sort of format, like what exactly going on. Next. Okay, this question. It's like 0 to 8, 14. Okay, so see, it's starting with 0 and ending up with 34. We have to find out the middle. Okay, so 0 to 8, 14, missing term, and 34. Can you please help me guys in this question? I'm just waiting. Okay, see in this question, so there is not specific pattern. If I'm going to see the addition part, see, suppose I'm saying that what if I'm trying this, this is increasing function. Okay, so like first one, it's like plus 2. Okay, then it's like 2 minus 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 6. Okay, then again plus 6. Okay, then there is a missing term. I could not find out. If I'm going to the multiplication, it's not running our show. So I have to go whenever you are not able to say this is plus 2 and then plus 6 plus 6. Okay, if I'm going to write over here, it's like it's plus 2 case, 0 plus 2. This is plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. And then another one, I have no idea. Okay. So here I am just going through our heat and trial method. I'll go the options. What could be the possible options? 2. There is the first term is 2. Then 6, 6. Then what could be? It could be, what is here difference is 4. Okay. 2 and there another term is 6. It's like a 2 and 6. The difference is 4. What could I, if I try 6 plus 4, 10? I'm just assuming like next I'm going to go for this. So the another one is 14. 14 plus 10, what would be? It would be 14. It would be 24. And again 24 plus 10, it would be 34. So it means like this is our, this one is making sense. This is also in our option. So this can be, this is our answer. Plus, if you are not able, like, no, this is a kind of a, because just I set up the question, so I know the answer. It's a this kind of a thing. So just write the options over here too. Okay. So see, if it's a plus 2, plus 6, plus 6, if I'm going to write over here 20, it's also it's 20. In that case, again, it would be plus 6 and then 20 plus 20 and it's 34. This is, it's not making any sense because it's like 14. So it's not doing so. 13 and 23, if I'm writing, then again it will not go like in the same thing. 24 is our option. 25 is not going to like this. Okay, that's why if you confuse sometime, then you should see this one is another one. These two things is making a unique pattern, and then again this two is also making a unique pattern. So that this is our answer number 24. Our option number C is the correct option. Okay. Okay, I'm disabling the board. I'm just clearing the screen. Coming to the chat box, see if there is any question or any doubt. If you have any question, just let me know. I'm just right here on your chat box. Just let me know any questions. No? Okay. So I'm just moving forward. Okay, see now next question. What's our next question is saying? Again, the same thing is like one term is missing. 28, 33, 31, 36. See the pattern of the series. 28, 33. It's like it's increasing. Okay. Then it's decreasing. Okay. Then again increasing. Then again, it could be decreasing. It should be decreasing and then increasing. See, the pattern is like 28. Okay. Then 33. Then 31. Then 36. Then missing term, and then 39. Okay. So 28 plus 33. What would be the answer? 28. If I'm going to add, because it's increasing, so what it's like plus, okay, 28 plus 5. Now 33 and 31. So it's like first it's increasing, then decreasing. So it's like minus 2. Then again it's plus 5. Okay. So what could be the next thing is like if I'm going to see the pattern, see the following the pattern, the next should be minus 2. So 36 minus 2, what would be 34. This is our assumption, like maybe this could be the true or not. But again, if I'm going to plus 5, the answer is 39 coming, because 34 plus 5, 39, it's coming. So in that case, our answer is like 34. Our option number B. Here what they are doing is its series is increasing, then decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing. It's like the combination is like either the combination is like plus minus, okay, or the combination is like multiplication and division. There's only two combination possible, because addition is responsible for increasing part and subtraction is responsible for decreasing part. Same with increasing part, multiplication is responsible, and decreasing part, division is responsible. So either this combination could be possible. Yet another combination is also possible for here, since the series is increasing very smoothly. So I will run for only for this only. Okay. If you have any doubt, just let me know, because the question is like, see, I just solved more than 6 questions, but every question there is a different pattern. They are going to club any pattern in your examination. On that moment, you have to think like which pattern exactly they are following. Either this is a increasing or decreasing, it's a plus case or minus case, multiplication or division, it doesn't matter, but you have to understand over there in the series how series is exactly behaving. It's a quite quick response, it's a quick exponential, smooth increasing, like this. You have to go through this, then you have to understand exactly what's going on, then you have to apply. Don't rush anything, okay? And my advice is just startingly, whenever you see the question, just see like, is there a smooth increase? Just run for the consecutive terms subtraction, okay? Like this and this subtraction, just run for this. You will definitely find the answer. Most of the question is like, find out they just made is like consecutive pattern. Okay, like this pattern, this pattern, this pattern, okay, this. So in the furthest lecture, I'm going to show you again, like sometimes they give you the pattern like this and this, okay, this and this, like odd or even kind of questions. So I'm going to show that one also, okay. In this question, now let's move to the further one. Okay, so this one, 2, 15, 41, 80. So the series is increasing. Can you have any idea like what we can do over here? Okay, see, series is increasing very fast. Okay, let's check this one out. 2, 15, 41, 80. Okay, now I can see is like 2, 7, 14 plus 1. It's like it's increasing, okay. 15 is like 15 into 3. It's getting high. 45, then it is only 41, and it's like not. So it's not like multiplication case, because in multiplication it's quite of like things will be increasing fashion, okay, always. But it's like after some time the increment is not high. Here it's 7 times approximately. Here is 3 times approximately. Not 3 times, less than 3 times. Here it is less than 2 times. So it's like series is increasing, but our multiplicating factor is decreasing. So let's try for subtraction part, okay. Like if there is something adding over here, then it's getting, so what we can add on 2, so we get 15. So the answer is 13. So it's like 2 plus 13. So our answer is like 15. So in what we can add 15, so we can get 41. It's like C. So do the subtraction part, okay. So this will become as 26. 26, 5. Okay, 6, 5, 11, 2, 3, 4. And this, what we can add in 41, so that we can get 81. So it's like, just subtract this one, is like 39. It's a like 13, 13 to just 6, 13 3 is a 39. It's this show is running on the table of 13 table, okay. So next could be, if I'm going to add 52, okay, because 13 was a 13, 13 2 is a 26, 13 3 is a 39, okay, 13 4 is a 52. So 81 plus 52, the answer will be 1 plus 2, 3, 8 plus 5, 13. Sorry, it's 2. Tell me answer for this. Just let me know the answer. Sorry, I have written something wrong here. It's not 81, it's 80. Sorry. Okay, so 41 plus 39, it's 80. Okay, then if I'm going to add this one, 80 plus 52 is like 0 plus 2 is 2, and 8 plus 5 is 13. It's like 132. Our answer is option number D. So exactly here, the question is increasing, okay, but it's not increasing that fast. Told you 2 7 ja plus 1, okay, 5 3 ja, it's not working. It's like 5 2 ja, and then it's like 41 and 80, okay. So it's like, it's not going very hard, it's not going very fast, it's not going very increasing in the way, it's like adding, okay. That's why I run for just whenever just start with the consecutive difference, okay. That will help you a lots of question. You'll find a lots of similarity when you go for that difference part. I'm coming to the chat box. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Yeah, thank you, Sonal. Thank you, Surinder. Okay. If you have any doubt, like till now, if you have any doubt, just let me know. I am just on your chat box. I can solve them also. Sonal, Surinder, if you have any doubt, just let me know. In the previous questions, if you have any doubt, since you guys are joined lately, so if you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay, if you have just joined lately, no, okay, so once the streaming is done, after that in 1 or 2 hours, I think more than 2 hours, you can find this video on the YouTube channel, okay, the Geeks for Geeks official YouTube channel. Over there you can find, and if after looking the whole questions or looking for the whole video, if you have any doubt, okay, you can ask me in the next question, because the next reasoning ability classes will be on day after tomorrow, okay. So you can ask me on that moment, okay. Tomorrow is a quantitative aptitude session. So just ask me. You can write your question on your chat box. I will definitely going to solve them. I'm happy to help you, okay. Now, just moving to the another question. Okay. See in this question. This question is like 1, 4, 10, 22, and 46. So 1, 4, okay. 10 to 26. Okay. Any idea how we can solve this one? 1, 4, 10, 22, 46. Just the guys who are in the chat box, just let me know how we can solve them. You can see the question 1, 4, 10, 22, 46. I'm coming to the chat box. Is there any idea how we can solve this one? Double term, like Karthik 3, 6, 12. Okay. As per the Karthik, he's saying that 3, 6, 12. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to solve this one. Okay. Check your answers from their side. Okay. So it's like 1, okay, 4, 10, 22, 46. Okay. Let's check this one. This is like 1. This, if I'm going to subtract, this is like plus 3. This is like plus 6. Okay. This is like 12. Okay. This is like 12. This is 12. And this is like 24. So the next term would be, see, it's like 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48. So the next term is like 48 plus 46. So the answer could be our 48, 48, and 46. It's like 14, 9, 94. Our answer number C. Okay. Just any doubt in this question? Put it. Thank you, Surinder. Yeah. It's yeah, Karthik, you are also right. 3, 6, 12. Surinder, you're also right. Like this. Okay. Now moving again to the forward. Through this question, can you guys see this question? 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, 27, 16. Any idea how we can solve this? I am just writing the question. Meanwhile, you guys just solve the question. Let me know the answer very fast. It's like we have only 40 seconds. Just do it. Your time is running. Let me know the answer. Any idea how we are doing this one? I'm coming to the chat box. Let me know how. Square and cubes. Very good, Karthik. Okay, rest of the guys just see this one. Square, okay. So it's like, it's a perfectly answer. It's like the answer of square and cubes. It's like if I'm going to square this one, okay. So if I'm going to square this one or cube this one, See, this is like 1 square 1 cube. This is like 2 square 2 cube. This is like 3 square 3 cube. So this is one is like 4 square. The next term will be 4 cube. Answer will be 64. You're absolutely right, Karthik. Answer will be our option number A. So it's a kind of a combination of a square cube, square cube, square cube. Sometimes they give you 1, 1, 1. Okay. It's like sometimes they give you such kind of a question. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 2, 4, 8. Okay. 3, 9, 27. And we'll find out what will be the missing term. Okay. So through this, it's like 1 square 1 cube, 2 square 2 cube, 3 square 3 cube. It's like in the next 4 square, it's like 4. Okay, 4 square and 4 cube. It's like this. Very nice, good. So this is all for today, and I'm again coming to the chat box. See, if you guys have any doubt, like in this session, I just discussed some questions of that number series, okay? Because it's left like alphanumeric series is still left, okay? Sharing my, okay. Now, still there is something still left, like there is alphanumeric series, okay? Alphabetical series in missing numbers, or there is an alphabetical, alphanumerical, and then they give you kind of a puzzle. So these things are still missing. We are going to cover that part also. Plus, if you guys have anything like I need to cover that one initially and then we have to go forward, okay? Because number series is going to take 2 more classes. I'm going to increase the difficulty of questions, and then it's definitely going to take 2 more classes. Through this, numerical ability questions will be also going to solve, because they are also give you same question. In reasoning, they give you alphanumeric series, and in the normal numerical ability, there is kind of a specifically numericals or series. So through this, we can easily solve them. And you also know, guys, that this things is favorite, okay? TCS favorite question is like they're definitely going to give you 3 to 4 questions in the number series. Either they are going to cover this in the quant series, or they are going to cover in the reasoning series. So just be sure. What I'm doing is like I'm going to discuss every type, okay? So today we have discussed more than I think 10 questions, but I discussed 10 different types. The practice is on your responsibility. You can find the practice question on GFG side, but it's like if you have to find, if you want from my side, I can help you. Is like I'm going to discuss every type, okay? In the next topic, in the next session, okay, we have to go through the difficulty level of that number series, okay? So this is all for today. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you, Surinder. Okay. So thank you, Vikram. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay. In the next session, by tomorrow on the 6 p.m., we are going to meet you again with the quantitative aptitude topic. The same thing will going to happen again. Okay. So I just want your active participation. Okay. The more you active participate, I will also understand like okay, the students is going to understand this one. If you have any thought, like if you have anything to discuss with me, just let me know. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay at home. Okay. Thank you.